This girl was happily playing with her pet when suddenly she accidentally dropped it to the ground. When her brother saw her panic, he immediately grabbed their emergency balloons and started inflating it one by one as fast as he could. Meanwhile, the girl ran down, desperate to save her pet. Will she be able to catch it in time? I'll show you the video, but child, don't ignore this. If you believe cute dogs go to heaven, like this video, subscribe, and share it with 3 true friends. And if you believe in miracles, comment, God bless below. May he bless you and fulfill your wishes. But just as the puppy fell, it landed safely on the balloons and survived.